Hi, I'm Cameron. I'm a PhD student in chemistry. I initially started with Excel, um, using Excel, and then switched over to using Origin. And for more reviews like this, click below. So I use Origin for a lot of my graphical needs. It's really nice putting it into Word or PowerPoint into Boss. You can manipulate it, and then working with that, I also use it to teach both PChem and analytical classes. So we use a lot of the formulas in there to help with fits and get a lot of error associated with it. I use Excel still for more formulations between cells. And it's just a little easier for me to use it. So in that method. What I think OriginPro is best for is its um, graphics and making its different graphs and spectra. And it also does really well with fittings and spitting out nice errors with that. So Microsoft Excel is really good at doing formulations between cells and also critiquing large amounts of data at once, and then putting it together to be used in other programs. So I initially got started with Excel back in middle school, and it was part of Microsoft Word, so it was one of the tools we used in math, and so it was taught to us by the teacher. So the learning curve was pretty easy, especially having an expert there to tell you how to use it and all the different functionalities that you need or going to need. With Origin, it was quite a bit different because it was a completely new software, same type of program, but different functionalities inside of it. And so it took quite a few YouTube videos and chats with my colleagues to figure out how best to optimize it for my needs. But after that, it was smooth sailing, and it runs really, really well. So my biggest considerations when I pick a program to use, like either Excel or OriginPro, is its accessibility. Right now, Origin is free to me through my school, and a lot of benefits of it are pretty great. So with the functionalities, and so I keep that in mind. I feel it's a little bit superior in what I need, but then it's also how much does it cost? How do the files transfer, and data that I collect is uploaded into it, the ease at which it's uploaded, and then also if I save through those files, can I open it without having Origin? So if I need to send it to somebody else, can they open up that file? And so those are my biggest considerations when I'm looking at programs like these.